Hello guys and welcome back to Reality Rewind. Please like and subscribe. I absolutely appreciate it. Guys, I just want to say congratulations to Uvyokazi for getting a passport because I like to believe that it's her passport. So I saw on her Instagram stories where she was flaunting a passport and it's her hands because the nails are hers. Congratulations to her. But however guys, yay, amavuyokazi amahle hayibo hayi saze satsha shem ngamavuyokazi amahle. So on Facebook someone posted the picture of the passport kaVuyo wathi yena aphi ama-fans kaTirelo noyolokazi wenu naseniyathula manje shonini phela nithi imiyeni kaVuyo ayinamali iyi-scam. So basically they're saying that where are Tirelo's fans? Can they come here and say that Vuyokazi's husband doesn't have money, he's a scammer and all that? Guys, it's fun. I think my fans of Vuyokazi actually they have a problem. Like they have a problem because they think that all these scandals that are coming out that are concerning Vuyokazi's husband ngathi they are being ngathi zilethwa ngama-fans kaTirelo, of which that it's not. Ama-fans kaTirelo, uTirelo ayisuye othuma umyeni kaVuyo ukuthi akaskema abantu or akoloda umashonisa and all that. It has nothing to do with uTirelo. So everything negative nje from iside kaVuyo and her husband kuvele kuthiwe ama-fans kaTirelo. No. And most of the people who come with these izindaba lezi are gossip bloggers, and most gossip bloggers really don't care about they are not really they're not really fans of these people. They are just delivering the news. It has nothing to do with being a fan. So someone else also posted on Facebook saying South Africa to United Kingdom and flaunting passport kaVuyo, and then someone says nitshele ochef basemzumbe ukuthi abakopele nalana. Guys, hi. Vuyokazi's fans are so shady. They are the shadiest people. They are so shady. Khona lapho if something good happens nje kuTirelo sivele nje thina sikhulu sithi hi congratulations kuTirelo, you know, and all that. Kuhle kube ngathi we are poking uVuyo and everything. They start fighting. I'm fans kaVuyo. I wanna peace, guys. Please, I get me the peace, guys. Not everything is about I don't know how to say it, but let me just go ahead and say again with a piece right now. Ni busy lapho Facebook from South Africa to United Kingdom. Who said Uvuyo is going to United Kingdom? Guys, again megancane. I see aslindeni mhla ezaya e-United Kingdom will come back here and say congratulations Vuyo, you went to UK, we will be happy for her. But leyo uthi nje sesihlethela si conclude first kangaka nkosi yami sizaba disappointed, just like we were expecting uSpari ukuthi uyabuya la ku Immortal Kitchens event, but he didn't come. So even this one we might be disappointed. Abanye sebebhizi bathi bona bangaphi laba bathi khona indoda kaVuyo ayinamali. Guys, who said passport vele ithethwe where guys? What if uVuyo took passport ngemali yakhe nje? Ngoba nje nanku kuphumile allegedly ukuthi uVuyo ubesekhokha isondlo kubaby mama ka husband yakhe. Yini engahlula ukuthi azithathise ipassport? I'm just saying it's a possibility, you know. If probability yokuthi kunganjalo ukuthi uzithathise ipassport ikhona, guys. If nje wayenza statistics at school, you understand what I'm talking about. With probability ikhona kusangenzeka ukuthi yabo, given the fact that we have seen a proof of payment ukuthi uVuyo sent money to ibaby mama ka Xolani. Hey guys, anyways, thank you so much for watching. But at the end of it all, above it all, congratulations to Vuyo, because at the end of it all, it doesn't matter ukuthi imali passport ivele UK or ivele uVuyo, it doesn't matter. Okusalayo, passport is now there. Congratulations to her. Please do let me know what you think on the comment section. Otherwise, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.